Okay, so this is Saturday. I am in central Kentucky, and the snow is here. It's starting. It's piling up quick. I got home less than an hour ago, and it was flurries. I'll keep you updated. Okay, so here we are a few hours later. It's still coming down, but not as hard. I have been out scraping the driveway a couple times. It's better to do it a few times instead of waiting till you get several inches and then try to do it. Unless, of course, you're a very active person, and then it probably would matter, but I am not. I sit at a desk as a job, and I quilt as a hobby. So, for me, it's best to do it multiple times while it's coming down. And then I'll treat it again. I'll probably scrape one more time, too. But this is where we're at right now. We are expecting ice, which is 100% dread. So I'll bring you back as the storm continues. Hey everybody, this is Sunday morning. The ice has arrived. See if I can get you some pictures of the trees here. Hey, this is in the front of my house. A layer of ice on top of the snow. It's not over. More precipitation later today, but it should head out of Kentucky in the afternoon. There's my crepe myrtle, ice covered. I'll come out later and see if I can punch through and try to clear the sidewalk and the driveway there. My driveway is a hill, you can probably tell in the video. So I parked up right there. So I would have less to clear for us to still be able to get in and out. But as you can see, the graders have already made a swipe this morning. And it's ice. The trees between me and the neighbor here have ice on them, of course, but not as bad as I was worried. So I'm hoping everything else we get will just be snow, but I haven't checked the forecast yet. Tree across the road, just white. It's crazy.